Everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Teacher Wilson Tutorials. We're here to do it better. We're here to give you the best. Now, I want to simplify this, what we have on the board. The first thing to do is to multiply 202 by 202 all in base 3 because it is squared here. So let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. We can't write it down because it's base 3. We are only allowed to write something smaller than 3. So 4 divided by 3 gives us 1 remainder 1. So you put down 1 and carry 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus the 1 we carried 1. 2 times 2, 4. We can't write it down since it's base 3. 4 divided by 3, 1 remainder 1. So you write the 1 here. Write the 1 and the other 1 here. Then 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Then we have the next one. 2 times 2, 4. We can't write it down. 4 divided by 3, 1 remainder 1. Write the 1 and carry 1. 2 times 2. 2 times 0 is 0 plus the 1 we carried 1. 2 times 2, 4. We can't write it down. 4 divided by 3, 1 remainder 1. Then you add up. You have 1. You have 2. Don't forget you are only permitted to write something smaller than 3. So that's it. Then we'll move on to the next one. 1, 1, 2 base 3 times 1, 1, 2 base 3. 2 times 2 is 4. We can't write it down. So when we divide, we have 1 remainder 1. Write the 1 and carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus the 1 we carry 3. You can't write it down since it's base 3. 3 divided by 3, that gives you 1 remainder 0. You put the 0 and carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus the 1 we carried 3 is 3 divided by 3, 1 remainder 0. So you have 0 and 1 here. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Do the same thing, repeat it. You are going to have 2, 1, 1 here. Then add up. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3. You can't write it down. 3 divided by 3, 1 remainder 0. So you put down the 0 and carry 1. This will give you 4. 1 plus this will give you 4. So 4 divided by 3, 1 remainder 1. So write the 1 and carry 1. You have 2 here, this. 3. It's time to do the subtraction. We have to do the subtraction as quickly as possible. So we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Base 3. Minus 1, 2. We have to arrange this properly. So let's subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 2 cannot. You borrow 1 from here. The 1 you borrowed is the base. That is base 3. That is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus the minus 4 minus